Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Magcon Stainless Steel Disc. You can create different designs using this disc. Let's get started. One of the simplest ways to use the Magcon Stainless Steel Disc is to trace along the long holes on disc. This will create a unique design that can be used in a variety of ways. You can experiment with different styles to create your art. Another way to use the disc is as a drawing guide. Begin by tracing the shape of the disc onto your drawing surface and marking the center point. Then, connect the dots around the disc to the center point using the ruler. This will create a series of lines that you can use as a guide for creating asymmetrical design. You can also draw circles with the disc. To do this, just grab another pen and follow these easy steps. First, place the Magcon disc on a flat surface and insert one pin into a hole. Then, take your second pin and insert it into another hole. While keeping the first pin stable, rotate the disc with the second pin to draw your circle. You can draw different sizes of circle by changing the location of your second pin. You can also use this as a drawing guide by aligning the center hole of the disc to the center point of the drawing. Then, mark the holes and start connecting the markings to the center. Once you have completed the guide, you can start drawing your own design. Draw like a pro with Ddiin.